கொடஞன் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விடுதெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கே
அன்புடைமை அன்பினும் ஆர்வம் உடைமை அதியினும் நன்பெண்ணும் நாடார் சிறப்பு. பொருள்: பிறரிடம் விரும்புவர்களின் தன்மையை கொடுக்கும். அது அவனுக்கு நட்பு என்னும் அளவு கடந்த சிறப்பை கொடுக்கும். மீண்டும் குறள்: அன்பினும் ஆர்வம் உடைமை அதியினும் நன்பெண்ணும் நாடார் சிறப்பு. நன்றி.
Good morning to all. Today's proverb: தன்கையே தனக்குதவி. Self-help is the best help. தூரத்து மலை பச்சை. Hills are green far away. திடீர் நட்பு துயரம் விளைவிக்கும். Sudden friendship show repentance. அதிகம் கேள் குறைவாக பேசு. Hear more but talk less. அடிக்கிற கைதான் அணைக்கும். The hand that beats alone with embrace. அதிர்ஷ்டம் கதவை தட்டும் பொழுது அணைத்துக்கொள். When fortune smiles embrace her. பயத்திற்கு மருந்து இல்லை. There is no medicine for fear. அதிக ஊமி சிறிதளவு உணவு. Much bran little milk. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Vivekananda thought, don't overthink. Overthink leads to negative thoughts. Arise, awake and stop, not until the goal is reached. Slave wants power to make slaves. The religion is the greatest, is to be true to your own future. Self-sacrifice indeed is the basis of all civilizations. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can die. The ideal is the motherhood. In India is womanhood. The education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Never think yourself weak. Who is helping you, don't forget them. Who is loving you, don't hate them. Who is trusting you, don't cheat them. Strength is life, weakness is death. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Stand up, be brave, and take the blame on your own shoulders. Don't fear of walking alone, be brave. If you fail 1,000 times, try one more time. Swami Vivekananda, thank you.
To all, conversation. This conversation is about COVID-19. In this conversation, I am a patient. My name is C. Nandini. I am studying 9th standard.
In this conversation, I am a doctor. My name is N. Sri Sabasarana. I am studying 9th standard.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Tell me, how can I help you?
Doctor, I am suffering from heavy fever, headache, and of course cold for past 3 days.
Oh, okay. Is there any other symptoms?
Yeah, I can't able to take food properly, and also I can't able to taste or smell the food.
Fine. Well, these kind of symptoms are not good for this pandemic situation. Better you have take COVID test and for convenience.
Okay, doctor, I will take this. Thank you so much.
After 2 days.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, coming.
Here is a report. Is there any problem in my report?
The report is positive.
Oh no.
That's not a problem because the virus is in the first stage. So need not worried about it. We may cure in proper precautions and medicine.
What kind of precaution that I need to follow?
You should quarantine for 14 days in your home. Eat healthy foods, fruits, vegetables, soup, kabasura kudinir, kasayam, drinks at twice a day. And after 14 days, take test and meet.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
After 14 days.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, coming. How are you?
I am alright. My health is so good. Here is the test report out.
Yeah, you are fine now. The virus is negative. And you are completely alright. I will give some advice to you. You should first vaccine and wear mask is necessary. Eat healthy foods. Wash your hands frequently. Use sanitizer. Keep distance. Stay home.
Okay, doctor. Is vaccine safe or not?
Yeah, it is safe. But you have fever, headache, body pain. That's all. It sleeps minimum 2 days.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. Thank you for your advice.
Stay home, stay safe. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
నమస్కారం. బేసిక్ బటర్ఫ్లై ఆసనం, ధనుర్యాసనం, కబుడాసనం, పద్మాసనం, యోగ నిద్రాసనం, ஏகபத்த சிரசாசனம்.
Thank you.
Happy morning, students. Wish you all a very happy new month. We are entering into a new month, August 2021. This is a beautiful month because in this month only we got independence. So, we are going to celebrate Independence Day through online and Aadiperukku celebration through online. All these activities will take place. And from today onwards, you are going to experience 5 periods of learning in a day. Every day you will be attending 5 periods class. Okay, I hope you would have received your timetable. We have very well set the timing. Okay, 40 minutes period, but the link will be sent 10 minutes before for you all to log in. After 10 minutes, the teacher will start the class. 40 minutes effective class will be taken. And there is a big gap, 40 minutes or 50 minutes gap in between the periods. So you go for a break, okay, do some exercise or play and then come back. So from today onwards, you are going to use the mobile phone only for learning. Okay, 5 minutes of learning and evening for doing some assignment, projects, homework, you can use it. So this phone, okay, you are going to use only for learning purpose. And evening you play while morning if you want to come to the school ground, you can come and play. And assembly activities 8:30, please watch the assembly activities and then attend your online class for 5 periods in a day. I wish you all the best from this month onwards. May you have a very blessed learning month. Okay, so 5 periods you please attend, use the phone only for learning and do some exercise and be fit. Okay, be mentally, physically, spiritually fit. Fine. And my dear children, assembly activities also we have already posted. Okay, that list. So when your chance comes, when your class assembly time comes, you please do it very well. Maybe your chance comes after 10 days. But now itself you please practice and send the video to your teacher. Okay. And assembly activities, it is a remembrance. Okay, it will be in the YouTube forever. So even after growing up, you can see those activities and you can be enjoying. Okay, fine. Vivekananda's competition we have already announced. Children who are very good in Tamil language. Okay, Manana Poti, Katurai Poti, Vinadi Vina. Okay, if you are interested, if you feel that you are very strong in Tamil language, then you are welcome. You can give your names to Iseki ma'am. Already we have sent the message. You can contact Iseki ma'am for further details. Thank you children. Once again I wish you all a very happy new month. God bless you all.